When your furnace won't turn on, it can feel overwhelming, especially during a chilly Manhattan, Kansas winter. But before you panic, Standard Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning recommends checking a few simple things that might save you time and stress. Start with your thermostat. Make sure it's set to heat and the temperature is higher than the current room temperature. Sometimes the settings get bumped or changed without you realizing it. If everything looks right but the furnace still won't start, check for loose or damaged wires inside the thermostat. If you spot any, don't touch them. Call a professional. Next, check your furnace's power supply. Ensure the power switch is on and look at your circuit breaker for any tripped switches or blown fuses. If you see damage, turn everything off and reach out for expert help. Don't forget to inspect your air filter. A dirty filter can stop your furnace from working. Clean or replace it if needed. If you've checked these basics and your furnace still isn't working, call Standard at 785-776-5012. We're here to help restore your home's comfort quickly and safely.